Hey, my name is Neil Parfit, and this video is challenging my trolls. You guys have been busting my balls for months. I challenge you to build me a PC that will outspec my Mac Pro. I don't think so, but are you up to the challenge? So what I'm gonna do is list out the minimum specs I need on my system, and I want you guys to come up with a system that's significantly cheaper than what I have. And let's see what happens. Maybe I've been wrong all along. So I'm going to list out the minimum specs. You can't go below this. I need these specs as minimum based on all the hardware I have and all the technology in my studio that talks to this computer. And let's take it from there. Number 1. The motherboard needs at least 8 PCI Express slots. 4 of them need to be 16 lane. 2 of them need to be double height to accommodate specific cards, and that does not include video. The single slot video card needs to be able to run at least 3 4K monitors at 60 Hz. Number 2. CPU, 28 core, at least 2.5 GHz. Number 3. Memory, I need at least 384 gigs of RAM. Number 4. This whole thing has to fit in a 5U rack mount 4-factor or smaller. Number 5. The machine I have now is absolutely silent and it's only 5 feet away from me, so it has to be just as quiet. Number 6. I need connectivity, USB-C, and it can't be an additional PCIe card because I have all these slots full with various audio cards. Number 7. Whatever system you've come up with has to be fully verified working as a Hackintosh out in the wild. And it needs to be macOS Catalina. Number 8. I also need one internal drive for my system, which can be 1 terabyte. It can be an M.2 PCI Express and not SATA. So with those minimum specs listed, let me see what you come up with. I honestly don't think it's going to be as easy as you think, but maybe I'm completely wrong. Post them in the comments. I want to know. Just make sure to put USD or Canadian dollars just so I know what I'm looking at. So do you accept this challenge? Good luck.